blooper.
I hope you're editing this. I can't even talk.
Here we are. You gotta say a little bit about what you're doing.
Simple goal.
I'm under the expert tutelage of George LaRue.
Here we go.
Well, I don't know if I'd say expert.
Expert tutelage?
I don't know if I'd say
The
expert.
fuck have you been telling him up there, Foley?
And the
Inspector
Great.
Todd.
You gotta talk loud, Kate.
our little helper, Bailey. Inspector Todd.
Yeah. Remember
Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills Cop?
Mike
Yeah.
Honcho.
Mike Honcho. If it ain't Mike Honcho,
Mike
himself.
Honcho.
I got this one. Yeah, I was just gonna loosen it and then tackle that one, but I was gonna use the impact pen.
Blooper.
Why is that a blooper?
Because he dropped the tool.
Can you put the Yakety Yaks music to it? Like the Benny Hill, no, it's entertaining, isn't it?
There's a little bit.
The Entertainer. Never mind, wrong song.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
I said, oh my.
Oh my.
What's that? Oh, Kate.
I see.
Don't get that too dirty, Kate. Gotta
Nope.
put that in the back of the car to put parts on.
No, I was just moving it out of the way.
Oh, okay.
So I can get an angle of the whole car without stuff on it. And a close up of the 5.0.
Drink a 6-pack, watch some football later, George.
I'm not a football guy.
Because you're on camera,
I
dork.
was hoping you were saying you were a beer guy. Just because there's more beer for me, you know?
Yeah. No, I'm a motorsports guy.
So 6-pack and some NASCAR?
Yeah. But ain't NASCAR, it ain't worth watching.
Lord. George, when was the last time you cleaned the lens on the camera?
Oh, you're supposed to do that?
Yeah.
That's why I had a wife that liked the cameras.
Oh, that's why. Timmy's break.
That's so you could pull the alternator out, Scotty.
I just want to jump right in here, you know? I hate looking for an angle. Imagine that talk. She got that on video.
Yes, I did.
Two dumb fucks in a car. Two dumb fucks in a car got cornered.
Yeah.
You know? that didn't
Wait.
make sense.
Who's the other dumb fuck?
George.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, because I hit the.
Okay.
And we both got slammed.
Okay. I thought it was me. I was gonna say, wait a minute.
Diamond drill thing. Two dumb fucks in a diamond drill.
Oh. Bae. Bae's enjoying the fresh air. Should maybe put her on the deck. Maybe better.
Here, yeah.
Okay. Be better for you on the deck.
I said.
Scott, are you trying to angle yourself good for the camera?
Get his good side.
Yeah.
I gotta go to the vet. These puppies are sick, yo.
Oh,
Sick puppies, yo. Yo, sick puppies.
you're definitely leaving that on, George.
Well, you want views, don't you? Fuck. Someone's gotta be the Kramer.
Yeah.
Someone's gotta be the.
That'll be a good one.
What's the other one there? The tall guy from Everybody Loves Raymond, the brother.
Robert.
Robert. Someone's gotta be the Robert.
Yes.
Someone's gotta be the Kramer, you
Oh,
know?
I like Robert.
Well, see what I'm saying? I bet you like Kramer too.
Yeah.
I loved Kramer,
Kramer.
and Mr. Costanza.
Yeah.
Dad, you got a bra. It's a bro! And it feels good. Tell him.
I liked him. Kramer was my favorite. I made my salad in the shower.
Yeah. He's swimming in the Brooklyn River where the fucking mob dumps dead bodies, and he's telling Jerry, like, I'm not the only one. I'm waving, but nobody's waving back.
Yeah.
It's just funny. Like,
Oh, it was funny. Oh,
My concho?
yeah.
my poncho.
You're gonna have to do an introduction on your video of that.
Special guest star.
Yeah.
My concho Kramer.
But we don't have copyright. Bake, buddy. Shake and bake. Well, fail Mike Honcho himself.
Mike, Robert, Kramer,
Yeah.
Landers.
The other day.
Okay. Go.
Joke's over now.
And then, yes, Scotty, I put
difficulties.
tie wraps because I broke the bolt there and we're going to have to
That's
fix that.
fine.
I'm sorry. Yes, I'm a MacGyver.
That looks like my drill.
Huh?
Looks like my drill at work.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying we're gonna fix that so it's not like that.
I cut with the snips and then paint.
We're gonna fix that.
What's so funny, Kate? It works.
It works.
I get amended on the job on my drill.
All your
All the
Tubes and-
brackets, some of the wires I'd like to clean off.
yeah,
Oh, we'll clean everything, Scotty.
Stuff like that, you know what I
clean
mean?
it all up.
We'll clean it all up.
Oh yeah.
Make it look pretty. You didn't find anything in there yet? Droppings of a mouse or anything?
Oh, that's a big ass fucking speeder. Yeah, mouse is right here. That's our
Yeah.
insulation from the roof of the
It's
fucking.
gotta be because I was telling George we didn't have
No.
no insulation on Polaris.
That's
We
a big
had,
ass spider.
Pink that eventually turned orange after 25 years.
No,
And it shrunk. The
no.
orange stuff is no good.
Oh, there's a nut here.
I don't want to see the spider, but Oh, look at
Spider's right
that.
there. You can zoom in on it.
I don't think so. Why would I want to zoom in on the spider?
We're waking up his home.
Fucking
Oh, Bucky is huge.
Yeah, okay, here you go, Scotty.
Oh, he's gonna be mad.
Take off the bolts for the header.
For the headers?
What you doing, Scotty? Can you tell the viewers at home what you're doing?
I'm not sure. Doing what he told me to do, okay?
All right, and George.
Stop fucking laughing at me.
For all you gilfs out there, he's single.
You can hit him up at
Anytime.
Scotty, I want a
Call
gill.
me 1555.
555-2178.
6929.
I think that'll help your viewers.
That's right, ladies. The one and only Mike Concho.
Yeah.